Let me guess. Your life feels like a loading screen stuck at 99%. You're moving, but also somehow not moving at all. We've all been trapped in that weird, invisible quicksand where everything feels slow, heavy, and frustrating. But here's the truth. Nobody tells you. Feeling stuck doesn't mean you're failing. It usually means your brain is overwhelmed. Too many tabs open, too many goals, too much pressure. And your mind is like, nope, I'm clocking out. Think about it like trying to push a car with the parking brake on. You're working hard, sweating, trying everything, but you're not going anywhere because one tiny thing is holding you back. So, how do you fix it fast? Simple. Reduce friction. Don't try to overhaul your whole life today. Pick one small win. Clean one corner of your room. Finish one task. Send one message. Make progress so tiny it almost feels silly. And here's the magic. Your brain loves momentum. One tiny win leads to another, and suddenly you're moving again. You're not stuck. You're just paused. Press play with one tiny action and watch everything start shifting.